So for today's video, I was about to go get some mulch. I'm in my barn. That's the tractor I'm gonna use. But guess who I found? Ow! The mulch is hurting my leg. Anyway, this is little 250, and he lets me pet him. It's in your eye, little man. Dirt. You take this out. Anyway, this is 250, and he is tired. 200 degrees outside, so probably he's getting a break and we're just spending time, right, little 250? He's a good cow. He's like a little dog. He's like a little dog that I'm friend with. Look, he's so tired, right? Alright, goodbye guys. Me and 250 are just hanging out, see if he becomes my dog one day.